Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at this box that I got from BLU. Inside of it, it's the BLU G91 Pro, 2 pair of earbuds, 1 cup and 1 t-shirt. Here we have the Area Pod and the Area Pod Plus. These are the 2 earbuds that we get on this box. This is the G91 Pro, and here in the back of the box we see the specifications. Let me read them to you real quick. We have a 6.7-inch Full HD display with 394 ppi. We have a MediaTek Helio G90 processor, which is clocked at 2 GHz. We have 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Also, this phone has quad cameras, with the main lens being 48 megapixels. We have a 16 megapixel selfie camera. We have a big battery of 5000 mAh plus wireless charging, and the charger that comes in the box is 30 watts. Also, this phone has the fingerprint sensor on the back. It can support a micro SD card slot up to 128 GB. Also, this phone starts its life with Android 11. Now let's unbox the earphones real quick, and after that we will unbox the G91 Pro. Okay, so now that you've seen the earbuds, let's continue with the phone. Now, opening the box, first we see the phone and then we see the accessories, which is everything. Here inside of this box we have practically everything we need to start up after we buy our phone. We have this set of earbuds, we had the fast charging brick, a Type-C cable, this is the SIM ejection tool, these are the paperwork that doesn't count, we have a protective case, and we have a glass screen protector. Once again, a glass screen protector, we have everything. And to imagine that this is a budget smartphone. Now let me turn on the phone and take a quick look through the menu. Okay, so now we are ready to use the phone. Let me browse through it a little bit. As I said in the beginning of the video, this phone started its life with Android 11. Now let's open the camera and take a quick look at the features. We have night mode, pro mode, a lot of features on this phone. The video quality goes up to 4K, but it's with 30 frames per second. Also, I want to mention that even though this display is not an AMOLED display, it can get very bright. Also, regarding the speakers, we only have one bottom firing speaker, and in this phone we have a headphone jack. Next thing I want to mention is the battery. It's a big battery of 5000 mAh, and due to the fact that this phone doesn't have an AMOLED display or 90Hz display, this means that the battery life on this phone will be very good. Now, in the left side of the phone we have a button that triggers the Google Assistant. As we said, this phone had a fingerprint sensor on the back, and I want to test that out real quick. As you guys can see here, the fingerprint sensor works very fast. Also, this phone has a face unlock. Let me register my face and see how this works. As you see, at the second that I point the phone at my face, it unlocks automatically. So even the face unlock is a go, but I would recommend using the fingerprint sensor on this phone. And with that being said, I want to end the video now, but I want to say that this is the easiest phone that I can recommend to anyone. It has a lot of storage, it's fast, and it's cheap. If you hurry up, you can get this phone for a price of $150 US. The normal price is $250, but you can find the link in the description below that can give you the price of $150 for this phone. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.